Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with one more stock which can be considered for investment purpose. The name of the stock is State Bank of India. We don't have to check the fundamentals of the company as it is already done by National Stock Exchange by keeping the stock under Nifty 50. On the technical chart, State Bank of India is looking very strong. And as we all know, on Friday Bank Nifty also gave a breakout. If Bank Nifty sustains the breakout, I have very higher target for the Bank Nifty. And I think SBI will be one of the leading counter in that. On the daily chart, the stock made a high of 427 and then went into correction till 320 levels. After taking support around 320 levels, the stock has started rallying. The target which comes as per the daily chart is 427, which is the high made by the stock earlier. On the weekly chart, V pattern formation is visible. V pattern will complete once the stock hits the target 427-428 levels and break out above that. The stock can head to 480 to 520 levels. On the monthly chart, 8 years monthly chart, the stock is trading in a range 148 on the lower end and 384 on the higher end. It gave breakout in the month of February, then retraced to retrace the breakout point. Now again in the month of May, it has given breakout above 384. We need monthly close above 384 levels in the month of May. Then the target would be 580 to 620 levels on the State Bank of India. Now let's have a look on the technical chart one by one. This is the daily chart for your reference. As you can see, on Friday the stock made a good price candle and also high volume candle. This is the weekly chart for your knowledge. V pattern formation is visible and breakout above 428 levels. The stock can head to 480 to 520 levels. This is the monthly chart of 8 years. As you can see, the price are consolidating in a range. It gave a breakout in the month of February. Then it retraced. Now again it has given a breakout above 384 levels. Once the stock gives a monthly close above 384 levels in the month of May, the targets are 580 to 620 levels on State Bank of India. This is purely my study which is I am sharing with you. Don't blindly invest on my study. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any position as per my study. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.